Hi, I'm Marcela Maus, and I'm organizing the Keystone meeting on cellular immunotherapies for cancer in 2023. Keystone meetings, as you know, are just really exciting because they tend to be small groups and everybody gets together and there's a lot of chit-chat and organizing and socializing that goes along with it about science and about the new findings. This meeting is going to be really exciting because it's focused on cell therapies for cancer. There's been other meetings that are about immuno-oncology, other meetings that are about very clinical on cell therapies and implementation. This one is going to be really about the science around cell therapies for cancer, clinical data, biomarkers, mechanisms of resistance. It's going to be a really strong focus on the translational aspects of cellular immunotherapies for cancer. As you know, cellular immunotherapies for cancer have had wild success in the last couple of years. There's been 7 FDA approvals as of today. We're expecting that there may be more. The field is starting to move into solid tumors as well. And so it's just a really exciting time to kind of take stock of the science that's going on, try to understand what the barriers may be in certain tumor histologies or mechanisms of resistance, and thinking about how we're going to engineer around those, and really getting a whole bunch of scientists, physicians, clinicians together to think about how we move the field forward more. This is one of the meetings where you really get to talk to people. And so I'm excited to hear the latest advances. I'm excited to hear unpublished data. What are people really seeing in the clinic that you may not get otherwise? I'm really excited to just have those conversations with people. I think Keystone meetings are always really at the forefront of the science. You just learn so much from talking to your colleagues and to other sort of like-minded individuals. I think there's been such a rapid growth in this field that it can be a bit overwhelming to absorb it all. And I think the Keystone meeting is just really such a focused and intense way of getting your pulse and your brain really excited about all the things that are happening in cell therapies for cancer. So we're going to cover a whole bunch of different tools and technologies that are going to enable these cell therapies for cancer. The speakers include luminaries in the field, people who are doing very large clinical studies, people who are doing the sort of latest and greatest biomarkers and translational aspects, trying to identify mechanisms of efficacy, toxicity, what interventions can be made. We're going to cover allogeneic products, autologous products, T cells and K cells, lots of other different kinds of sort of forward thinking and exciting new developments in the field. Keystone meetings, I think, are fun for anybody who has the pleasure of attending. I think students, postdocs, people in the biotech industry who want to get their sort of take the pulse of the field, luminaries in the field who want to interact with colleagues or set up new collaborations, new directions for their science. Those are all, I think, going to benefit from this Keystone meeting.